Hey, my chickadees. Welcome back to the Back 40. Okay, it is our Margarete Miller week 46. Good Lord, it's flying on through here. Collage challenge. And we need a steampunk or mechanical, something found in the desert, a leftover scrap art you'd normally throw away, food packaging or a food label, a candle, and a bonus is text other than English or your native language. Okay, so I have something found in a desert. That is the background here and the Campbell rider with a little rider on him. My food label is my Lay's, stackable chips. And something you normally throw away. This piece here, and it's also steampunk stamp on it there. And text in a different language other than my English. Sometimes English is a different language to me. The one I didn't do was candle or candlelight because I couldn't find my little candle. So I put the background down, and then I put this down in the corner. I'm going to have this coming like this. I don't know if this is going to hold it down or not. I hope so. I'm about ready to use these glue sticks up. I want it kind of tilted like that. And then I want my little camera rider. I need to ink around him a little bit. Malay stackables. Alright, and then he's gonna be walking right here and stepping onto our Lay's chip. There we go. There we go. Yes, sir. That looks good. Alright, it's just all going down in an angle there. And then let's take put that here. Kind of do it like that. Outline our little dude. Alright, and then put this back up because I've been doing so good keeping everything. You wouldn't be able to tell it by looking at my mess tonight, but I have been doing so good keeping everything together and organizing and then paying attention. Okay, yeah, I know I'm on that. This is my brush that let me see if I can roll it to a point, kinda. This is the one I use to I dropped it. Get out the edges because it was wet. There we go. All right, kind of halos around it there. All right, and there we have it. Our week 46 all in the bag. And I don't think I left a spot at all. We can make one. All right, there we go. Now, okay, so I wanted to show y'all this. Okay, you know I've been having to go back and forth. Now, this is the very first collage. Move my drink. This is the very first collage that I did. This is the one I did today. Okay. Then I've been flipping back and forth through the book. I went all the way to the end, so then I started from the beginning to find empty pages. So we did that one last week and this week. Put this one here. And this one, what week was this? Oh my God, this ugly thing. This was week 48. Okay, so week 48, 46, 47, so 3 weeks. Okay, so this was the third collage I ever did, and this is the one now. That is still the ugliest page ever, but it still feels so good when you touch it. It just still feels so good. It's all fuzzy and wonderful. It goes into a cool slickness. This has some texture. It's a nice paper. I think it came out of the Ideals magazine. You know how that magazine feels. Where it goes from here up to that, and then that's the watercolor paper, and then or mixed media paper, and then it goes into the furry stuff again. As far as texture, this is wonderful, but it is the god awful ugliest page. So there we have it, our week 46. Is that what we're on? Yeah, week 46. All right. Is this week 40? 48. Okay, that's week 46. Okay, there we have it. Thank y'all. Bye. See you on the next go round.